Hello, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. That was really weird. Okay. Chat participants. Can you guys hear me? Okay. Did you hear me say, like a minute ago, how can you guys hear me? Did you hear me say that phrase? No. Okay. All right. Because, yeah, you should not have been able to hear you. But for some reason, the microphone icon was moving, and yet my microphone was not on. That's creepy. That's strange. All right, let's see if I can get this freaking mic into my mouth here a little bit better. All right, Salem. It is Salem, yes. All right, WeWork is a SPAC debuting today also, and I think people are just thinking that SPACs in general are hot now because of what happened. All right, and then I want to make sure I'm on the right trading account here. I got to watch my snap position at the open here. Real problem, man. I don't know if WeWork went bankrupt, but apparently not. All right. All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the trading group this morning. We are definitely seeing continuation on Dwack. We'll see if that holds past the morning session. But the next breakout is at 93.43, and it's inching its way up there. So at 93.43, you could grab the breakout on Dwack for something like $2 a risk. We'll see what the risk level is when we get there. We also have Fun, Phun, popping this morning similarly. And WeWork is now just breaking and running. It's just hitting about 14 right now at this moment. That is a breakout. You can get into WeWork now for it's WE for $1 of risk. Stop at 13. And the market itself today, we've got gold rallying just a few minutes ago, starting to really rally. Went up almost 15 points in about 20 minutes. Energy and oil has just grinded up slowly and surely up to about $83 and change. But energy starting to pull back a little bit while gold has that thrust forward. Rates are sideways, slightly down, and that may lift tech a little bit today, so that could be a good sign. However, this thing going on right now with gold going up, that's not necessarily a good sign. It could be people taking money out of the stock market and putting it into a safety instrument in preparation for a bad day today. So be careful. You might want to think about playing short today. We'll see how it goes. But the market is touching all-time high this morning. It touched all-time high of 454.31. Let me just double check that. Yep. And so that may be the resistance that some of the traders are thinking about there, and that's why perhaps the gold is rallying. But the Dow sideways and Qs sideways and SPY up just a smidge, possibly sideways and pulling back on this gold rush going on. Bitcoin sideways trending up in a wedge pattern, a little bit of a channel. So Bitcoin futures rising up to the 64,000 level. That's good for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin now bullish until it could get that back down to 29,000. So that's it. Bitcoin's going to be bullish for a long time now. And it has 80% volatility, but 400% annual gains. So it's about a 5-to-1 Sharpe ratio asset. So it's really a decent pick to start replacing your business stocks in your investment portfolio with now crypto, Bitcoin. All right, so now we're watching Dwack, and if Dwack can get up and over 93.43, we're going to get in for about $2 a risk probably. We'll see what kind of a pivot point it gives us at that moment. Everybody in our group yesterday got into Dwack, and we were seeing 100% gains, 200% gains, 300% gains, 500% gains, 900% gains in some cases. Incredible gains in the group yesterday on Dwack. And today we're going to see what's hot and what we can smash today. Just click the link in my bio, you guys over on TikTok, if you'd like to come join our group. We'll be trading live in 21 minutes. That's when we turn off the TikTok feed. And I'm going to label up what we're watching this morning. Okay, that's what I thought. I don't need to put we there because I already have it in another spot. Right, we got PTLO for second day follow through, ICLK for follow through, DWAC W, DWAC for day 2, Fun W and Fun for day 1, WeWork for day 1, SPAC View. We're also watching Snap, DraftKings, Boeing, Intel, Mattel, CRTD with unusually high volume, Grom, TTOO, Salem, SALM, TSC for follow through, Apple as always, Tesla, and Amazon. And our focus is heavily on DWAC this morning and WeWork. How high do we think DWAC will go? Well, it is likely going to try and test 100, it looks like, this morning. And then it'll probably, if it does get up there, it may crack 100 and then attempt to run to maybe 105. And then we'll see what kind of continuation can happen. There's a lot of people waking up to DWAC today. So there could be a lot of bullishness. Let's see what happens. We got in yesterday on the DWAC W warrants at $3. And they hit $44 today. And we got into DWAC yesterday at $12.50, and it hit 93 today. Do I think Fun has more in it? Yes, and in fact, it seems to be making its way up for a breakout right now, you guys. Fun breakout is 735. Let's get a closer look at that. PHUN, if it breaks 735, you can get in for $1.35 of risk. Stop at 6. What's the difference between DWAC and DWAC W? The W and Fun W and Fun, the W are warrants. They're like options. It's like saying, I'd buy this stock if, in a month from now, it's up or whatever. It's basically a type of option. It's called a warrant, where you don't buy the whole stock. You buy the right to buy stock. DWAC is going to open, you said at 80. Is it going to open at 80? I mean, right now it's indicating it's going to open at 86. So we'll see if, you know, where it ends up opening. But yeah, that'll be a pretty huge gap open on the daily chart. No, Herman, no, we don't buy until there's a signal, a breakout signal. Herman, it's too bad you missed class last night if you weren't able to make it. We went over that a lot. But the class has been posted into the masterclass archives. So that's VIP class for members only. And that's been posted to the masterclass archives. That was almost a 3-hour class last night. You can rewatch that over in the channel called Masterclass Archives. Good morning, Lava 5274. I'm guessing you were born May 2nd, 1974. Am I right? Am I using a TV or a monitor to accommodate all these charts? A monitor. It's a 4K Samsung 32-inch. That's my preferred monitor of choice. I have several of them, and another box right here that haven't opened up yet, which will be going right over here. So then I'll have 8 screens connected to the trading computer system and 2 televisions, so I can be watching the news. In fact, that's what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull up the news on, because I've got the CNBC, but I also want the Fox Business News. I do not want to miss anything here. So I'm going to pull that up and put it on this other little TV right here. All right, here it goes. So it's automatically coming up on here. 1 second, it's going to switch over. All right, there we go. And that just helps me make sure I'm not missing anything important going on. So that's 10 screens. You never know, you know? You never know. That's funny. 5274 was the last digits of your old phone number. Cute. All right. Is it too late to get into DWAC? No. If DWAC breaks 93.43, that'll be an entrance for us. Currently indicating about $8 of risk at 93.83 if it breaks 93.83. That's strong, guys. You guys over on TikTok, how's it going? Twitch, what's up? YouTube, how's it going? My Zoom guys, good morning. So we're coming up on that breakout on FUN, P-H-U-N. We're basically looking for 725, and that's going to be for 50 cents of risk on FUN, P-H-U-N, FUN, 50 cents of risk if it breaks 725. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio if you want to come join our trading group. We'll be trading live in our Zoom for members. We have over 400 members in our trading group. And for example, yesterday they did hundreds and hundreds of percent return on Dwack. We have members with 400% gains. Click the link in my bio to come check out the trading room and see some of those gains and join us this morning. All right, we're about to break 93.43 on Dwack. 93.43. So unfortunately, it's about $8 of risk, and you definitely should calculate that using the 1% rule. If you guys can click like on the stream over on TikTok, appreciate it. That'll help boost the stream this morning if you're enjoying the stream. And if any of you can spare any diamonds, that helps the ranking with our weekly rankings. If you want to send over a couple of diamonds, I will not say no. And that will definitely help the weekly stream. Beyond Meat shares slide on revenue warning. All right. What does 93.43 mean? At the $93.43 level, if we break that level on Dwack. We'll be getting in. There's the break on Fun, PHUN. Anybody get that? All right. Looks like Sergio got it. Kelly got it. Kyle. Bobby J got it. All right. Very good. And with these stocks under $10, you want to be taking profits underneath every pop quiz. What is it, you guys? Let's see who's following along. Let's see who's on top of their game. Every 25 cents. That is correct, Jake. So there it is, 750. That's the first level. Take 5 to 20% of your position off. Right there at 750. Underneath the next level will be 775. And boy, is Fun really going. It's a SPAC craze going on right now. Fun is going crazy. PHUN. That's right, user. How are you? 0.25. That's right. Hey, thank you very much for the diamonds and the likes. We just got 1.4 thousand likes. Way to go, everybody on TikTok. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. All right, it's right there in my bio. You can come join our trading community of over 400 active trading members. They are live with me right now in the Zoom with zero lag and 4K presentation. And looks like Mark Gabriel is in, Todd is in, Jake Edwards with the 25 cents. You guys let me know what you're in. Here we go. Here's the breakout on Dwack. There's the breakout, 93.43. Did it hit? 93.79. Yes, it did. We just made a new high on Dwack. And the entrance, by the way, is only $4 a risk on that entrance. Only $4 a risk. Stop at $90 on Dwack, DWAC. Whoo, Dwack is hot. And Dwack W seems to be lagging behind, so there's still a little bit of an arbitrage moment opportunity there for you on Dwack W, but you really need to know what you're doing to trade the warrants. The bid-ask spread's going to be wide, the liquidity is going to be low, and it's pre-market right now. So only for those of you with the best setups should be trading Dwack W. Otherwise, anyway, Dwack going good. And look at Fun. We just hit our second profit target. Take 5 to 20% of your position off there. Dwack, Fun hitting 770 right now. 775 is exactly where you want to be taking around 5 to 20% of your position out on Fun. That's the second profit target now on Fun, PHUN. And Dwack looks like it's holding the entrance. Who got in Dwack? Who got in Dwack? We got a bunch of fast moving stocks this morning. This is going to be one hell of a rodeo. Do I think Tesla will cool down today or break above 900? I don't know, but it's so close that I think you should just let it do whatever the fuck it's going to do, right? So if it's going to break 900, go for it. Fun, PHUN. Take your third profit target now, right underneath $8 at 793. That's where it is right now. 795, 793. Right? This is a fine time to be taking 5 to 20% profits out. So if you got in for 1,000 shares, you'd now be getting out 50 shares. Something like that. 100 shares. Take your profits. Take your partial profits. Incremental profits. That's the system. That's the system that beats everybody. This system beats diamond hands. Dwack, there it goes. Dwack is breaking out. 94. 94.22. All right. Dwack is, whoa, look at Dwack go. Oh my goodness. Hard to catch Dwack. Make sure you take 5 to 20% profits right there. There's your first profit target right underneath 95. Oh, and another profit target at 96. I was trying to get an entry and just missed it. All right, who's getting that? 97. There's your third profit target on Dwack. 97. Take another 5 to 20% out. RJ, I hope you're crushing that. Troy, hope you're crushing that. And meanwhile, Fun is testing that $8 level, and you have hit 3 profit targets on that already, and you move your stop up to break even. That was quick. Oh, wow. Yeah. And we have a much stronger pullback today there from 97 to 94. Get out at your break even. And I hope you took all those profit targets. Once you take all those profit targets, you got to move your stop to break even. And fun is crapping out on you right now. Make sure your stop is set to break even on fun. Yes, Carlos. TD Ameritrade allows pre-market trades, but Webull is easier to use, and I highly recommend that for beginners, not Thinkorswim and TD Ameritrade. I recommend Webull, and the second aspect of that is that they actually allow pre-market trading 2 hours earlier than TD Ameritrade allows. All right, we're getting a pretty strong pullback 6 minutes before the open on Dwack. Make sure you've exited and make sure you've taken all those profits up there. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. There's a lot of profit targets that were hit, and everybody should be all out now. We are not in Dwack anymore. All right, let's see where it goes at the market open. We have 6 minutes to the market open. Over on Fun, if you've gotten back down to your break even, you are exiting Fun, PHUN, and you've taken 3 profit targets. So that was a good run on Fun. We'll catch the next breakout if there is one. We're watching. The next breakout on Dwack is going to be at 97. 97. So we will be watching Dwack. We have 5 minutes to the open. Hey, everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click like on my stream if you're digging this. And also, there's a link in my bio if you'd like to come join our trading community, our trading room and our trading community of over 400 members. Yesterday, for example, most members made at least 300% gains on Dwack, some of them much, much more. Send coffees. Oh, that'd be great. Yes. I need some coffee. And again, gold rallying and oil grinding up all morning. That's good stuff for the strength of the market. There goes Dwack. The entrance was so fast, we went up like 10 points in a split second. Dwack, re-enter on Dwack. Hurry up for $10 of risk. $10 of risk. There's a really wide candle. We're about to break 100 on Dwack. Here it goes. 100, 101. We just hit 101. Make sure you take 5 to 20% profits out at every dollar level. RJ, did you grab that breakout there at 97? We want to know. We all want to know. You're our hero. RJ got it. And you know how he got it? He had it set up already as a pre-order. Here we go. Fun, PHUN, doing the same thing. We're getting a mirror image on Fun, PHUN, coming all the way up. If it breaks $8, so 8.01, you can get into Fun for $1 of risk. And Dwack continuing. It's pushing up and over 100. This next bar pressing into 101. We hit 102.25 with the pre-order setup. You got your 5% or to 20% profit target there at 102. 103 on Dwack. We're hitting 103. That's right. 104. There you go. There's your 4th profit target. You guys get on top of Dwack. The market opens in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 103 on Dwack. And Fun trying to break 8. Don't enter Fun unless it breaks 8. 8 is the entry on Fun, PHUN. We're also watching TTOO, Grom, and CRTD. Mattel, WeWork. If WeWork breaks 14, you can get in for $1 of risk. WeWork, WE. If WeWork breaks 14, you can get in for $1 of risk. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. And I'll see you in our Zoom. I see about 20 of you just came in just now. Nice to see you here. Welcome. All right, here comes Dwack again with some strength. After you've taken your first 2 profit targets, you always move your stop to break even. And there goes Dwack with a strong push up. Somebody, a huge buyer coming in. 1 million shares traded. 105, 106 on Dwack. 107 on Dwack. 108. Oh my Dwack. Dwack, Dwack, Dwack. 109, 110, 111, 112. Make sure you're taking your profits at every dollar level. 5% profits out at every dollar level. All right, and there's some pullback. Make sure you set your stop to break even. We're now entering a pullback on Dwack. Way to go. How much are you guys up? We haven't even opened the market yet. The market opens in 1 minute and 20 seconds. How much you guys up? Trump is making everybody rich today, except liberals. They're probably not touching this stock, right? Too bad for them. Oh. 112. Here we go. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117 on Dwack. This is just insane. And there's some arbitrage opportunity on Dwack W. It has not caught up with these gains yet. 118, 119. Up 1R. Oh, what's going on with you, Lishi? You woke up late. Early bird catches the worm. PTLO broke out at $32. PTLO on day 2 is running up to 35. PTLO. WeWork, if it breaks $14, you can get in for $1 of risk. WeWork, W-E. Dwack hitting 120 before the open. All right, here we go. The main market opening. 120 on Dwack. 125. 127. 128. Fun broke 8. Grab Fun. Your first profit target just hit on Fun. P-H-U-N. Second profit target coming. 131 on Dwack. Dwack warrants going through the roof right now. Dwack W. We are halting on Dwack. Dwack is halting at 132. This has got to be the biggest halt in history. 132. This is probably also the largest seed fundraising in history. $132. We are halted on Dwack. Way to go, everybody. I hope everybody got in. Up 20R already. David M is up already 20R on the day. That's 1 month of gains in a morning. Way to go, David. Incredible. RJ, I hope you freaking were all over that. We are sitting at 132 right now. And guess where it's indicated to open? 150. 150. Holy smokes, guys. Wow. In 4 minutes. And Fun is flying out of the gate as well. Hitting 11 and about to halt. About to halt on Fun. You've got 10 seconds to get into Fun before it halts. SPACs are on fire this morning. Here we go, and we are halted on Fun, indicating it's going to open already at 11:50, and the halt was at 10:98. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. $150, indicating it's going to open on Dwack, and I believe that's even manipulated. It might open more. You can already set your marks to take 5 to 20% profits on the open. So, well, I'll do that now as well. Up 34R. Fucking Troy is up 34R. Outstanding. Outstanding. This is a GME day, man. This is incredible. Incredible. Dondrell, son of a bitch, I hope he's here. Dondrell, I hope you are here and making a bank. Okay. And I hope this also helps you guys realize, the importance of, progress in your journey, upgrading to faster setups, faster feeds, paying for higher quality brokerages, higher quality feeds. There's always an upgrade you can make. You can always improve. So, if you're having issues, well, everyone has his issues. There's no such thing as a perfect brokerage. But if you're having issues, you can improve that by taking things to the next level. All right, we're going to be coming out of the halt in 1 minute on Dwack, indicating it's going to open at 148, 149. And Fun indicating it's going to open at 11. Okay, right where it halted. WeWork has not broken. If WeWork could have broke 14, you can get in for $1 of risk. Keep an eye on it. PTLO, in the meantime, IPO from yesterday is following through today. And if you want to get in, the next entrance is at 37 for $5 of risk. 37 for $5 of risk entrance on PTLO. If it hits 37, you can get in for $5 of risk. This is a historic debut on Dwack. Chipotle earnings beat estimates. Sales jumped 22%. However, it's down 2%. The market itself is doing all right. Industrials doing the best. Oil going up. Base materials going up. Industrials, XLI, up. Consumer staples, up. Gold, up. Everything else, flat or down. Okay, Grom has halted, so we've got some potential on Grom as well. I would really like to see Grom come all the way up to 584. Okay, Nicholas? So let's make sure it breaks 585 on Grom. All right, here we go. 15 seconds to the open on DWAC. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there looks like they're holding it. It's indicated to open at 155. So they're trying to resolve those pricing differences before they reopen the gates, but it could open any second now. We've already passed the 5-minute hold. Over on Fun, PHUN, we're coming out of the halt in 40 seconds on Fun. Keep an eye on Dwack. That could come out of the halt at any time. And there goes the Dwack W arbitrage play. The last 3 or 4 minutes, Dwack has gone from Dwack W has gone from 45 to 65. 65. I hope that some of you got that play, Dwack W, some of you more advanced traders in the group. Way to go if you did. Ariana says, Evan, I am deaf or dead. I'm not sure. Up 46% on Fun. RJ says he got it. Bruce says he got it. Fantastic. You're in Deke. Should you sell? I don't know. We got to watch this stuff here. Fun, just open for trading. It hit 1250. And now it's already pulling back. So if you already had your targets preset, boom, 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 you got them all. Boom, boom, boom. So maybe RJ got them. I'm hoping. We are waiting for Dwack to open. It is indicating it's going to open at 160, and it hasn't even come out of the halt yet. And this is bullshit, too, that they're holding it on this halt. Don't you think? They're doing their little manipulations back there on their machines. Fun halted at 14. Fun hit 14. You guys are up 40% on Fun. No, actually, I think you've doubled your money on Fun. How much you guys up? 40R. Troy is up 40% on his entire portfolio this morning. Woohoo! Way to go, Troy. How about you, RJ? What are you sitting at? Everybody else, how you doing? 110%. Dondrell says, my heart can't take this. Dondrell, make sure that you are got your profit target set. Play this out just like normal. Snap is actually rising. Indicating 161 on Dwack. It's going to open at 161. When should you buy Dwack again? Why did you sell? And where were you this morning? Early bird catches the worm. So awesome. Historic. This is historic. This is a GME day. This is a Kodak day. We get a couple of these per year. This is it. You got to wake up early. You got to set your alarm. You got to get all of your risk ready, make sure your internet's paid, make sure everything's working. Apple just broke out at 150. You can get in it's typically $1 of risk. So I can't quite see it right now. $1 of risk on Apple if you want that. 160 we're indicating to open on Dwack. If you'd like to learn more about trading and our strategy that we trade every day and how we made over 1,000% in some cases yesterday and 300% for almost all members yesterday and every day, what we do and how we trade and our strategies every day, you got to click the link in my bio. Go over to my profile and click the link in my bio and come join our trading community. Yeah, that's awesome, Carly. Do I have any news for Fun? It's indicating it's going to open at 1476, so you can definitely get your sell orders cocked and ready. For a stock between $10 and $20, you want to take off 5% every 50-cent level. Okay? You can already have that order preset. Over on Dwack, you're going to be taking out, it's every dollar level, but the way this thing's moving, I almost either would recommend you change that to every $5 level, or instead of taking out 5%, take out 1% every dollar level, okay? Because, you want to have enough powder in your gun, in your cannon, to be able to take profits through all this. WeWork just broke out. Did you hear the ring? That was the bell. WeWork just broke out. $14 of risk entry on WeWork. If you had that order already preset, you're in. You're in like Flynn. No, you can't buy Fun necessarily while it's in the halt. It will end up getting filled when it comes out of the halt. Dwack indicating it's going to open at 156. And they just do not want to open it up. They're supposed to open it after 5 minutes of trading, after 5 minutes of halt. They don't want to open it up. All right, we're coming out of the halt on FUN in 1 minute. And WeWork making progress. It just hit 15, and that's where you want to take out 5 to 20% of your WeWork position. So you're getting gains on WeWork. Next profit target is 1550. Take out 5 to 20% on WeWork underneath every 50-cent level, just underneath it. Fun, PHUN, about to come out of the halt actually it should have came out of the halt. They're holding back Fun as well, indicating it's going to open around 15 now. They basically want to keep it halted until it starts to back off because they want people to start to question what they're buying. It's bullshit, and of course they're doing that to Trump. The whole reason about halts is so you can do some quick due diligence and see if you're out of your mind or not. And they're halting it for an excessive amount of time right now on Dwack. It's unusual. So they're trying to get people a little bit panicked up about what's going on, but it's indicating it's going to open at 159. I think there's almost no doubt it's going to hit 200 today with this kind of energy. CRTD, we are watching it. If CRTD breaks 840, you can get in. We'll see what risk level in that moment. All right, we're waiting for Dwack to open trading. RJ says the warrants are bleeding a little bit. It's just lagging. Yeah, but RJ, just go ahead and get out and then get back in after 68. RJ, do you have over 25 grand in your account yet, buddy? For unlimited day trading. All right. Well, I feel your fucking pain. All right. Maybe Dundrell or Troy can throw you a bone. Maybe you could start striking up some deals with Dundrell and Troy so that when they're away from the trading desk, maybe you can do a little split with them. Since you are the ace trader in the group right now. Way to go, RJ, by the way. It is indicating, Dwack is indicating it's going to open at 164. The longer they halt it, the higher it indicates it's going to open. They aren't scaring off any Trump people here. It's going up. It's indicating it's going to open at 169. They better unhalt this motherfucker. You can't stop the Trump train. 169, it's indicating it's going to open. Over on Fun, it's indicating it's going to open at 15 when it comes out of the halt. So the warrants, yeah, probably lagging on that and are going to pop now. Fernando has got 800% return right now. Way to go, Fernando. Make sure you're taking a little bit of profits out, all right? This ain't going to last forever. Remember GME? There's a top. So you got to take profits all along the way. Trump train, baby. Trump train. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. 175. It isn't even out of the halt yet. And it's indicating it's going to open at 175. All right, so make sure you got your orders to sell at market a part of your position. 5%, 10%, 20%. Not everything, because this thing could go higher. But if it doesn't, you've taken some profits. So make sure you do that. Don't be a fool. Take a little bit off, and leave a lot on. That doesn't make you that doesn't make you a bad person. Oh God, the people bending over in excruciating FOMO pain right now. Oh, it's like Squidward. Oh, the people in extreme FOMO pain right now. I can feel it. And they're going to be, is it too late to get in? The fuck if we know, but we're in. So we don't have to worry about that question. The early bird catches the worm. I should write it right up here. The early fucking bird catches the worm. Not that that's any kind of powerful statement, but you mean the snowflakes? Yeah, the snowflakes are probably like, maybe, I don't have to, maybe I can cover my eyes. Amazing, right? And the other social networks aren't even really talking about it. Those media outlets aren't even really talking about it. Why? Because that's what they do in North Korea. They keep you from the truth. They keep you from knowing what's really going on. And that's what we have here. They're all the same. Communists are all the same. It doesn't matter whether they live in America or North Korea. It's all the same. They be fucking quiet. That's right. Cameron says he's going to buy his mom a new car today. Fantastic. And by the way, we do have discounts for annual memberships. And we even have a lifetime membership to our group. Please talk to Elliot if that's something that you're interested in. Elliot or Jacob, our admins. And Fun has opened, and it just hit 1650. So that's 4 profit targets. Boom, 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 boom. And it's about to hit 17. F-U-N. F-P-H-U-N. No, rather P-H-U-N. Just hit 17. Your profit targets are every 50 cents, as you know, on these stocks between $10 and $20. Fun now hitting 1850, 19. We are just going crazy wild today. We're going to halt at 1940. We are slamming up against the halt level right now on PHUN. If you guys want to be on top of these trades every day, you need to click the link in my bio and come join our community to join our zero lag stream, 4K stream with our other members. Get in there now. Click the link in my bio and follow through and come join our community. Come in there now, and maybe you can catch a trade today with us. Troy is up 50R, you guys. Troy is up 50R. Dondrell? How much you up? He's like, RJ, how much you up? RJ's 27R. Fuck me, he says. Holy shit. You guys, Dwack is indicating to open at 182. 182. And it hasn't even opened yet. I got to put another order to sell some more so that it's ready to take those profits when it opens. I haven't even checked how much I'm down on Snap yet. I need to go close out my Snap. Let me go take a look. Maintenance call over on Snap. Shit. Oh my God. All right. Let's close that fucker. There we go. Oh my God. We're indicating to open at 188 on Dwack. This is unbelievable. Yeah, hilarious. They're not opening it because they're trying to get everyone to cool down. You see? But the longer they keep it closed, the hotter it's getting. It's going to open over 200 if they keep doing this. Fun, indicating it's going to open at 20. How much you guys up on Fun? Over 150%, I imagine. Well, the nice thing is I definitely made everything I lost on Snap back on Dwack. Whew. We are indicating to open at 190 on Dwack. Wow. Dwack is going to open at 190. Dondrell and Troy are about to hit the motherfucking big one. And RJ, I know that Dondrell took a big position. I hope he did. Dondrell, make me proud, motherfucker. Please tell me you got a big position. This is a very rare day. Dondrell, please tell me you, just for one day, were a degenerate gambler. Just one day. 1,000 each. All right, fantastic. So Dondrell's going to be up like 50 grand. Maybe more. And yes, in a day. And Troy, what kind of money are we talking here? Be our hero. Inspire our group, please. If you don't mind, Sharon. Julian says, if there's any day to gamble, it's today. That's what I'm talking about. Stephen Harlow's up $32,000, everybody. Dondrell's up, I think it's around $50,000. Something just broke out. Let's take a look. Grom just broke out. You can get in for about $1 of risk on Grom, GROM. No, it was CRTD, actually. There it is. $2 of risk to get into CRTD. $2 of risk. We're indicating we're going to open at 191 on Dwack. I just made you money. El Jono, what is your name? El Puno. Awesome. And that just goes to show that you should click the link in my bio, come join our trading community, and let's do it every day, man. Let's do it every day. Why is today such a hot day? Don't worry about it. Fun, hitting 21, now hitting 22. Make sure you take your profits. 23, partial profits at these different levels. Eventually, it could evaporate, but fun. It's just insane and on fire. Fun W warrants, if for those advanced traders, also on fire. We hit 24 and we're halting on fun. PHUN at 24. We're hitting a halt level on 24. Make sure you chuck some shares overboard. 5%, 10%. Take some profits. We are slamming up against a limit up level at 24. We're having a strong pullback, so I'm very glad that you took multiple profits, as you should have, at every dollar level there on fun. Mark is up 259% on fun, PHUN. We are indicating to open at 200 on Dwack. We are indicating to open at 200 on Dwack. This is insane. I think Dondrell, dude, please invite me on your yacht, okay, when this is all over. Fuck. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're buying yachts, not Lambos, yachts. I think collectively our group is up over $1 million. Easily, RJ says. Yup. 100%. Is Dwack ever going to reopen? They need to reopen it. They're being dicks. Let's all get a penthouse. There you go. Look, some of you made enough money today to get those vacation Airbnb properties I've been talking to you about. You made, in just one day, you made enough money to buy one entire vacation Airbnb property and then put that into a passive income stream. All right? Think about that. This is an insane moment for you. Take advantage. Don't blow it. Question, if you sell stock, how do you do taxes? Don't you get smacked for taking it out? Yes, unless you also have capital losses to offset that. But also, you can reinvest your gains, and that will also diminish your tax requirements some. Not all, but some. But believe me, if your problem is you're paying a lot of taxes, you've done well. Nicholas says, this is the most money I've ever made in my life. Sergio says, taxation is theft. All right. How can it be halted this long? Because they're trying to scare people off. It is indicating it's going to open at 187 now. See, this is it. It's starting to get scared off a little bit, and that's what they're trying to do, 185. Somebody says, this is the most money I've ever made at all. You got in at $30 yesterday with Dwack. You still haven't got your stock? Oh, shit, man. Something was wrong then. Can you option trade on Dwack? No, but you can use Dwack W. DWAC All right. If PHUN halted to the downside. That's not good. That's not good. I hope everybody got out on PHUN using our system and our strategies. You probably should have gotten out there on PHUN. It is halted and indicating to open at 12. Doon, doon, doon. Make sure that you didn't get trapped. Uh-oh. Steven says, I got trapped. Okay, Jamal got out of it at 20. Yeah, after all those profit targets, you need to, at the very minimum, set a limit order to your stop loss, which is break even. I set a limit order to your break even. And then with a big pullback like that underneath the reopen, the halt level, that's a great place to get out. There's about 18, 19, 20. This could be just an indication, Stephen, that you need a better system, a better, maybe even a faster system, you know. And as you can see, paying, like, I pay $170 a month for Dash Trader. I think you can now see how it's worth it. I know, Stephen. I know. I'm going to be actually working on that this weekend, and I think I'm going to have 2 recommendations for you. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio in order to come join our trading room. Our members are killing it today and every day. We are on top of it every day, live trading the markets every day. Click the link in my bio to come join our trading group of over 400 members. Collectively, we're up over $1 million this morning. Some people with massive life-changing gains today. Nice. Yeah, I sure did, Todd. Yeah, sure did. Got to be watching your positions. Not smooth. Yeah, Dondrell. Pre-market's a whole nother game. Very difficult. Has its own, you know, problems and issues that you have to already be set up for, be trained for. You know, when you're trying anything new, Dondrell, and anybody, if you're trying something new, paper trade practice it first. You know, somebody says like, hey, you want to try this weapon? You know, well, I've never tried it before. Oh, it's super dangerous. You want to try it? Well, I've never tried that one before. Ooh, well, you know, would you like, here, you can hold it and try it. Make the wise decision to do it in a simulator first, to use rubber rounds, to use blanks. Don't grab that new weapon and fire it. Anytime you're trying something new, that's what you got to do. Can the taxes I get hit with even out if I'm a recent home buyer? Possibly, yeah, possibly. There we go. We are opening on Dwack, and it instantly halted down to 157, and I got filled. I got my fills. We are halting to 157.50. Let's see if I can get out any more right before the halt. Nope, we are halted. I'm going to cancel those orders. All right, we're indicating we're going to open at 140. I hope you guys got your fills on that, because that's how it works. Things move fast. Methods got filled at 175. All right. Because I was in a lot of other positions, I wasn't able to get very many shares. Even so, I'm up 2.2 grand with just a couple of shares. And it is open. It is indicating that it's going to open down. It's going to pull back. It's indicating it's going to open around 140. So now do you guys understand why you have to have all your orders all preset and ready to sell? This shit happens fast. Seen it over and over and over and over again. So it looks like a lot of you got filled at 175. Way to go. Ram got out at 175, not 200. Yeah, because it kept coming back down, and then it opened at 175. It is picking up steam. It is indicating it's going to open at 150. Yeah, of course, Nicholas. I mean, or just get back in on certain breakouts, you know? It's called being a trader, not being a gambler. Oh, man, that sucks. If you had gotten here a little earlier, look, when these things happen, crypto stock trader, thank you. It was nice to see you in the stream last night and talk with you a little bit too. I think that was you. Anyway, when you see days like this, set your alarm, wake up at 4 a.m., get on top of it. We are indicating we're going to reopen at 155 on Dwack. 155, 157. And on Fun, we're indicating we're going to open at 14. All right, 14. Yeah, there's been a lot of halts, hasn't there? And Salm, is Salm halted right now? Salm broke out. Grom broke out earlier. CRTD, hot market this morning. Salm is halted. Okay, that is correct. Salm, Turca, BFRA, Dwack, yep, Fun. CRTD is, can you confirm CRTD is halted? No, I don't think CRTD is halted. Are we still in the hut swing? As far as I know, get out if it stopped out. But I'll be checking on that when this very, very important trading is over. We'll check on our swing trades. Swing trades move slow. Where's Fun set to open? Fun is set to open at 14.4. And Dwack is set to open at 157.5 at the moment. I already have my orders set, so I'm ready to take off a chunk once it opens. Dwack update. Yep, indicating it's going to open at 158, indicating it's going to open at 158. All right, Dara, way to go. All the stuff that we've learned along the way prepares you for these moments. RJ, how the hell are you taking partial profits and following the system? All right, we're hitting 166 on Dwack. I don't know where I got filled. That was 171. I'll take out another piece of that right there. And we're halting to the downside. 144. You may want to chuck some more overboard. And we're halted. Where did I get filled? What was the price? Where is that? 175, 160. 175 on the previous halt, and then 160 on that other halt. Pretty good, pretty good. Yep, filled at 160 for you too, Ethan. Everybody filled at 160. All right, very good. All out at 160. Very good. All right. I still have some shares left. Looking good. We are indicating we're going to open at 135. 135 on the next one. I'm going to put in an order to sell a lot more. The thing needs to settle in. It's going to calm down, and then later it could potentially re-break in the last half of the day. So right now we're pulling back. You want to be taking your profits. Fun is indicating it's going to open at 14.2. You can get out of Dwack W. Nicholas got filled at 170. Nice. You must have started earlier on your putting your order in during the halt. So you got a better price, you see, because you were like earlier in the queue. When does Fun open? It is poised to, it should have opened, it's like 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. So, they're resolving lots of price indifferences, imbalances during these halts and trying to cool off the trading a little bit. What website can you view this on? Just click any of the links in my bio. Any of the links in my bio, okay? So you click my name in the upper left here, and then the thing pops up on the bottom, and then you click my my photo right here, and then go over to my profile and click the link, any link in the bio, but mainly the website link there. Fun is now set to open at 13.3. Dwack is set to open at 136. Dara is up $110,000. Oh, great, Dara. That's great to hear. She says she's going to upgrade her membership right now. What's your... so you just need to get in touch with Elliot, okay? $110,000 for Dara. How you doing, Dondrell? It's been all over the map. Did you get out? Did you take some out? How are you handling your trade? How you doing? I hope you're doing good, Dondrell. And Gary Bland is up 27,000 on Dwack. And we got RJ, who's up maybe 20R today. And Troy and Stephen Harlow. How you guys doing? At least she's up 6R. RJ, what? RJ's 22R. Troy, what? Dude, Troy, what did he say? Troy's up 51R. Jeff is up, he was in at 13. He's up, Jeff is up $84,000 this morning. Woo! Jamal is up 20, was up 20R yesterday. He's up 22R today. Yeah, and Michael up 50R since yesterday. Got to keep taking those profits, Michael. Watch out and don't hold overnight. 100% disagree with that. Well, 80%. Yeah, and then Steven, how you doing? Steven Harlow. Dondrell's up 26,000 on Dwack and 8,000 on Fun. Oh, we have reopened trading on Dwack. It opened around 135 and is now 133. I've sold most of my position. I'm almost all out, and I think everybody is draining their positions as well. Oh, wait. Cancel that. I think I just went short. If it could let me, I guess it would. No, I still have 2. Okay. All right, we're pumping all the way back up to 141 right now, so that's where I'm going to sell my last bit of my position, and I'm going to wait. We're going to wait for things to turn around on Dwack. All right, that's it. I think, I'm all out. You should be all out now on Dwack. That was all your profit taking and your trade management and your risk management. And then we will see if we'll get another breakout later. We are halting to the downside. It's now at 121, halting to the downside. Everybody should be all out now. Yeah. Right. RJ says, I love that buy, sell, sound, and toss. And then Jamal says, it's great when you hear like 15 in a row. Bling, 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 bling. You just signed up? All right, welcome. All right, so make sure you follow the link in your email or whatnot to be able to come right into the group. That is Valerie Tomesco, something like that. Say hello when you come into the Zoom, okay? Well, I'd like to meet you. You got $2,300 to put in right now. Which stocks to go? I'm sorry, but that fucking ship has sailed. Oh man, you need to sign up with us though. Click the link in my bio, and on Monday we'll get you into something. But we all made money already. The moves have happened. There may be some more bounces today, so we'll see. We'll see. We're indicating we're going to open at $100 on Dwack. So I really hope that you guys managed your trade risk properly and got out a long time ago, because we are nowhere near 200 anymore. How much do you need to start with? Like 2,500 bucks. Oh, awesome. Somebody says they just bought the membership. Anderson. Awesome. Click the link in your email, and also say hello when you come into the Zoom, okay? I'd like to try and see you in the Zoom chat. So you'll be coming into the Discord, and then you'll be coming into the Zoom. I need to post a link over in the public chat so you guys know where to go. Let me go do that right now. Welcome new members. Go to VIP chat. And Zoom. For annual, you talk to Elliot, okay? Come into our group. You want to discuss annual. Like, I don't do the sales part. Ask Elliot, okay? Or Jacob. But yeah, we have annual memberships, and we even have upgrades to lifetime memberships. So depending on how much you're up today, you might want to consider that. Hello, there you are, August Preet Bar. Welcome. Yes, Tarun. What is still halted? Fun? Yes, and so is Dwack. Fun is indicating it's going to open at 11:48. So if you got trapped in fun, boy, that's not going to be fun. Tesla broke over 900. What did Jackson say? What's up? Tesla popped. Oof. Yeah. Oof for you, Jackson. Oh, boy. I hope you didn't get trapped in fun of all people. No. No. Okay, well, once it opens, maybe it will move up a little bit and you can get out at 13 or 14. Mitigate those losses. That's good. Steven's also trapped, but still up because he got in very low. And that's great. Excellent. Glad to hear that. Collectively, we easily broke $1 million in member income today. Maybe 1.5. That sounds about right. Yes, I do give classes and signals. Yes. Just click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. Every day, we are live trading. Funds halt is targeted at 1150 right now. And Dwack indicating it'll open at 101. Oh, that's fine, Lishi. Yeah. Dwack buy-in, we're going to need to see some more chart go by in a little bit. We'll see what happens. Oh, that's really funny. What's funny is that my snap losses on that just terrible put option that I sold combined with the DWAC gains mean that I'm up like $200. So that works out. You got to laugh when you break even. My God, it's a lot better than losing, isn't it? Where do I think Snap is going short to midterm? I'd have to look at it from a swing trading perspective in a little bit. Is it bad that you're still in DWAC? I think so. Because when do you think it's going to hit 200 again, if not today? Probably like in a year. You see what I mean? Like these moments, you have to seize them when they happen. When you get a huge spiked up price on something, you're getting the future, way off future price that you were willing to wait 2-3 years for right now. So why wouldn't you sell? It doesn't make any sense. And by the way, you don't sell everything. You can just sell 10%. You can never be wrong that way. You can never be wrong if you do partial profit taking. It's not all or nothing. This deal ain't all or nothing. That's the first thing you're going to learn in our trading group, is that the stock market is stochastic. It's statistical. It's based on probabilities, and everything is partial. So when anybody tells you, oh, it's going up or it's going down, they don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Everything is a probability. They need to say, it's a good chance it's going up. It's probable. 80%, 60%. There's no such thing. PTLO looks like it's coming up for the re-breakout, 36.39. If it can break 36.40, you can get in for $1.40 of risk on PTLO. PTLO. If it breaks 36.40, you can get in for $1.40 of risk to the stop at 35. There it is. That's the breakout. Did you hear it? That's the breakout. PTLO. There you are. That's it. It's already up to 37. So this is how fast you need to get your orders in. All right. Jackson seems to be on top of it. He's typing. Right. Wow, we're at 38 on PTLO now. Having a really strong moment on PTLO. Make sure you're taking your partial profits. Where? underneath every dollar point. So that's already 2 take profits on PTLO after entrance, and we haven't even passed 60 seconds into the trade yet. Stephen Harlow's in. Way to go. I'll take a look at that, John, in just a little bit, if you remind me when we start looking at swing trades. DWAC just opened and then halted down. It hit 120. It all happened so fast. And then it halted at 99, and it's now indicating it's going to open at 90 next. So total meltdown on DWAC right now. This is normal. This is to be expected. I hope that Trackdolf, our lead trader who shorts stocks, is making bank. Because I know yesterday he spent money to borrow $125,000 worth of short shares, and I hope today he was able to get more, maybe $250,000. That'd be great. If so, then the dude is making bank. Does anybody know how Track is doing? Is he in? Has he? You guys want to check in on Track for me? I'd love to know if he's doing great. Fund status indicating it's going to open at $10 now, and DWAC is indicating it's going to open at $85 now. So, after 3 halts to the downside, people are starting to learn. You got to adapt quick if you're going to survive the stock market. But, I think most of our members got out at 160, all out, maybe 150, maybe 170. Good job if you did. I got out kind of a smear on the way down, 175 to about 135, a whole smear of exits. And that's perfect. That's exactly how I want to trade. Fun is going to kill you, Julian. Shoot. Well, hopefully you can get that offset by DWAC gains earlier. Fun indicating it's going to open at 9. Sorry for the bad news, guys. Getting trapped in a halt, very dangerous, as you can now possibly learn. Yes. But don't sell everything in that moment because once it opens, it may go up to like 11, 12 for a split second. Put those orders in, Stephen. Have them already sitting there. Limit sell orders. Some at 11, some at 12, some at 13, some at 14. Have a whole ladder set up. Get what you get, and then be ready to cancel all and sell everything if it starts to drop hard. All right. So, if anyone thinks that day trading isn't an e-sport, I think you're starting to learn. Day trading is definitely probably a form of e-sport. Yes, Julian, you need to do limit orders. You need to set up your ladders. RJ does that all day long, all day, every day. When is a good buy on DWAC? Oh, we'll see. Let's let it trade normal for like a few hours. It'll be in the later half of the day. Make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community and be ready for when that happens. Because we will likely have the TikTok stream turned off by then. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go. I mean, that's like how like North Korea CNN is. Oh my God. This guy on TV right now looks like Brandon. Which platform do I recommend? Webull. Here's the link. If you sign up through my link in for Webull, we will both get bonus stock. So follow this link to Webull. There you go. I'll paste that for anyone who's so new and they're still trying to get on the platform. I'll post that in just 1 second here for you. The Webull link, here it comes. If anybody's new in the Zoom here and hasn't joined Webull yet, there you go. And then also I'll post that over on the other streams. There you go. Yes, I do. I do read this chat. Maybe 33 for what? What the fuck? Dwack is indicating. Oh, okay, there we go. It's going to open at 88. I was reading the wrong number. And Fun is indicating it's going to open at 8.5. If there is any time for you to be as professional as you can freaking be about your trading, it's on a day like today, mixed with the gambling side. Like, so do it, be here to do it, and but couple it with the absolutely pro trading techniques that we use, so that you can be in control of your position once you get in. Use the degenerate side of yourself to get in, and then use the professional side of yourself to manage the entire trade. Yeah, it's not every day that it happens like that, Matt. But it happens all the time. It's an absolute expectation. That's why it's very important to be on top of your game and taking profits all along the way, and then exiting when the shit hits the fan. You guys who did just outstanding, please, of all days, please take a screenshot of that and post it over to post your gains, please. I see that sometimes not all of you do, but please participate, share. It's the most inspiring thing we can see. I think a good 5 of you did 5 figures, and I think a few of you did 6 figures. We want that day in history to be known forever. That's incredible, and we can, then we can add it up and say, hey, this was our $1 million day in the group, So, if you typically are a little bit lazy about that, please just go the extra mile today and do me that favor for everything that I do for you. And take that screenshot, post it over and post your gains, please. Thank you. Just one day. That's all I'm asking of you. And the rest of you, post your gains anyway. All right. Thanks a bunch. I'm going to look at it right now. I'm going to see who's doing it. Mark looks like he's posting. And if I read that right, you made 36 grand. Is that correct, Mark? That'd be incredible. All right, and Dwack just reopened for trading, and it's hitting 95 and going up after halting down. And now it's starting to go down. 93, 92, 93. It's fighting at this level. 93, 92. Oh, it just really quickly reversed back down to 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 84, 85. Okay, we have a little bounce there, 89. All right. So, but leave it alone. Don't be in Dwack. Make sure you're out of Dwack. Let's not get it in it yet. Bob Fairchild made 132% on fun. Thank you for posting your gains. Up $30,000 from Soli Society. Excellent day. That's insane. I need to go over to the VIP chat. You know, encourage you guys. Post your gains. I'm not seeing enough posted there. Post your gains, please, folks. We need a post your gains rally right now. You know, come on. Raptor Man made $27,700 on Dwack. Congratulations. Fantastic. Bob made $15,000. I mean, these 5-figure gains are fantastic. And then a few of you made 6 figures. Up 23R on Fun Dwack, Dwack W. Fantastic, RJ. Huge day for you. Troy, if you can just type something, the R you made, whatever you want to share, love to hear it. Anyone who's not shy about that, please go in there and share that. We have halted to the upside on Dwack, and it's indicating it's going to open at 98. Dwack is now whack. Well, I think, you know, yesterday we were wondering if it was going to go to 100. Today it's pulled back to 100, and that's like the low end. Dara says, good day with 135,000. Can you post that over there, Dara? In the group, in the post your gain section. Not here. Over there. New guy made 1,300 on Dwack. Way to go. Cameron made looks like almost $1,000 on like a $2,000 account. That's a huge gain today for Cameron. Mountain Man made $10,000 on Dwacked over the last 2 days. Started with a $20,000 account. Fantastic. So you guys are posting over in the post your gains right now. That's awesome. Still not seeing you big ballers participating, and I understand and I appreciate maybe you don't want to share those numbers, but can you say something ambiguous? You know, did 6 figures today. Any kind of sharing would be wonderful. All right, made 1,000 on Dwack W. Good job. And look at Dwack W, by the way. Where is that? Yeah, all the way back down to 45 now from 80. And what I was going to check here is you guys asked about HUT. Yeah, we can check in on that in just a minute. We're getting there. Fun is still indicating, okay, it's kind of settled in at $8.60. Now remember, when it opens for trading, there's still going to be a lot of people who feel there's going to be another pump there. So they're going to want to buy this dip. They're going to see 860 as, oh my God, and they're going to buy it up. So it's going to bounce a little bit. Let it. Have your orders already sitting there as limit orders if you got trapped. Have some to sell at 9, have some to sell at 10, have some to sell at 10.50, have some to sell at 11, 11.50, 12, 12.50, 13. Are you getting the idea? Have them all in there, ready to go. All right, trying to help you through this trap. Hey, thanks, Mark. And you posted, didn't you, Mark? Oh, Chowder made 2.8 grand a day. Oh, Dara, thank you for posting that. Up $135,000 on Dwack in a single day. By the way, a lot of people won't believe that, and I know I said like if you don't want to post your screenshot, I understand. But if you're having trouble posting your screenshot and you don't mind, let me help you figure out how to post that screenshot. That's going to be insane for anyone to actually see the proof of. But we definitely all believe you. Fantastic. Jake Edwards up $4,176. And RJ says, you can be my mom any day. Whoa. He didn't say it exactly like that. I put a little bit of flavor on that. I put a little spice on that one. Little southern spice. Having trouble getting into the Discord. Okay, Anderson. Let me think what the problem is. Did you check your email and did you click the link in your email? And what I'm going to do right now, Anderson, is I'm going to give you a link to the Discord. Once you get near there in the Discord region, once you get onto a Discord in general, send a private message to the leader of the group. His name is Elliot or Jacob, and they're going to see what's wrong and get you in, okay? So I'm going to post that right now. There it is, posting. All right, hopefully you heard me. There's the link. Copy paste that. All right, Dwack has just opened, and it is trading at 104, 105. It's inching up a little bit. Feels like it's going to settle into 100 today, doesn't it? What's nice now is we're grinding around. You know, it's found its volatility level without halting. So now Dwack can start to put in some patterns, and we'll be able to dissect a future entry maybe in the next hour or two. Okay, fun opened and bounced to 11. Hopefully you got some fills, but it is now on the second minute candle of having opened for trading, and it's not really going up. Meantime, Dwack is all the way up to 113 now. Okay, it is going up a little bit over on Fun. It's coming up to about 10. So we have some dead cat bounce players coming into Fun. Looks like we're halting, almost halted to the upside on Dwack. It started to get a little bit hot again on Dwack. The halt level is 118, and we hit it, and then we pulled back just a little bit. We're at 117 on Dwack. It's still really not a pattern yet, and gotta be careful. Maybe if it halts to the upside, maybe when it comes out of the halt, it'll come out higher, but it's not a sure thing. So if you want to get in, it is almost halting to the upside now, but that risk is definitely on you. I would put it at like $20 of risk, a very big risk, $20 of risk of loss per share. So if you want to size that to 1%, you know how to do that. And here we go. We are halting on Dwack at around 120, 119.70. We are hitting the limit up right now. Dwack is about to halt. We've got about 10 seconds left before it halts. If you want a piece of that, and we started to pull back. So we just avoided the halt, and we're back. We're back at the limit up, 119.70 at the halt level. In any second here, we could halt on Dwack. If you want another chance, $20 of risk, because it could open back underneath 100, and then for $20 of risk, you'd be expecting $40 a gain. So, for $20 of risk, you hope that it will go to 160. So, this is it starts to become not profitable, unlikely, unprobable to start to play these dead cat bounces. How often does it halt? When things get way out of control. Fun has halted to the upside at 11 and is now indicating it's going to open at 12. All right, yes, Fun halted up. It's indicating it's going to open at 12. Julian broke even on Fun. That's really good. I mean, thank God, because you got trapped. You're going to have to act faster and more preemptively in the future. That's what you need to realize. In order for that not to happen, you need to be more prepared, think ahead, act more preemptively in the future, right? So that you broke even, thank goodness, right? You didn't lose any money. Good job, Julian. Really, I think, breaking even is always a good thing. It's a lot better than losing. Dwack is pulling back to about 113 on this candle. All right, things are cooling down. Again, for anybody who is interested in grabbing an annual membership to our group because you had a good day today, you can get that instead of a monthly. You can get the annual, and it is for a discount to the monthly rate. And you would just talk to Elliot or Jacob, the group leaders, about that in a private message. And we also have lifetimes available memberships after that. Depending on how well you did today, you might want to grab a lifetime membership and just lock that away. Daniel, okay. Well, all right. That's up to Elliot. Nicholas says, been with Evan since February. Totally worth it. Yeah, and by the way, Nicholas, and it's not just me, too. I mean, we've got so many other lead traders here, analysts in the group, to fill up all of your needs. Everybody has different needs. Percival with the spread trading. So we have a little bit of something for everybody. Fun is up 625% today. Can you believe that? How many of you, by the way, how many of you got into Fun earlier and then got those profit targets at 21, 22, 23, and 24? I'm proud of you guys. Really, really excellent trading. Matt is a lifetime. Best money I've ever spent. Nice. Oh, yeah, nice. Todd is up $1,911 on Fun. When is Fun coming out of the halt? It's out now, and it's now trading around $12. You got your max fill at $23.97 on Fun. Jamal, way to go. Your mom got in at $2 yesterday. She's still holding on what? Hopefully, it would be nice if she took some profits, don't you think? Like, let's say she bought 100 shares or 1,000 shares. It would be nice if she had taken like 100, 200, 300 shares of profit when it was up at 24. So, you don't have to just like hold and then sell. You can hold a little or hold a lot and sell a little. So there's a lot of different decisions you can make. I want your mom to make lots of money, not lose money. Fun is climbing again, yes. 1435 is very risky to play dead cat bounces. But if you want to be playing a Fun at this point, you never know what's going to happen. Look, it already went from 14 to 11 just now. So it's a very dangerous game to try and expect something out of Fun at this point. These things need to settle in. They need to slow down. You never know what's going to happen. They could go back down to $8 on the next halt. You got to be very careful to be thinking that there's any further opportunity now. The best opportunity was the massive, big opening market opportunity that we already traded. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. Click subscribe or whatnot. And YouTube and over here on TikTok. Does anybody use Instagram anymore? Is anyone going to use Snap anymore after that? Boy. Julian asks, if I added a limit order, even though stock halted, will it still sell at that price? Well, if the price goes through that number when it comes out of the halt, yes. Stephen Harlow says, I got smoked bad in Fun, not playing with the dead cat bounce. Yeah. And there it is. It's halted to the downside at 10 on Fun. This is what I'm telling you. I mean, I don't know how many of you would like to take the advice of a 25-plus year trader. Don't play dead cat bounces, and get out when you're supposed to. Think ahead, plan ahead, be preemptive, have fast and good and high quality trading tools, and don't mess around with, don't do stupid shit. That's what this shirt should say. There's no way to play fun now that isn't pure gambling. Well said. Yeah, Methods said that. Yep. All right. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community, where I'm going to shut down the TikTok stream now, and we're going to go exclusively over to member stream. It's been a lot of fun trading with you today on TikTok, and I hope that some of you came over to our trading group, and I'll get to know you better over the next week. Thanks again, and have a good one. Have a great weekend, TikTokers.